educators and students. APA has a very specific format and we should know how to set up properly. This video will show how to create APA in Google Docs environment. Basic APA format guidelines must be followed. For the font, select Times New Roman. Then, for the font size, select size 12. Para sa font, piliin ang Times New Roman. Para naman sa size, piliin ang sukat na 12. For the margins, 1 inch or 2.54 cm. Para naman sa margins, 1 inch or 2.54 cm. Double spacing and indent in every new paragraph. So, dapat magkaroon ng double space at kada paragraph ay merong indent. Para magawa yon, click Format, i-click ang Format, i-click ang Line Spacing, click the double, i-click ang double, next, half an inch by pulling the rectangular at the top of your page. So, this is the rectangular shape. From here, na 0 siya, gagawin mo siyang 0.50 cm. For the running head, every page should have a running head. Para sa running head, ang bawat pahina ay dapat magkaroon ng running head. Let us set up the running head by clicking at the top of the page. Para magkaroon ng running head, mag-click sa taas ng page. To open the header, make sure to check the different first page as the only means to include the running head before the title. So, dapat naka-check ang different first page. Then, type your paper title. Include the paper title in capital letters. It should be 50 or less than characters. So, sa pag-type ng running head, dapat naka-caps lock or naka-capital lahat ng letters and then shortened lang iyon ng iyong paper title. For example, halimbawa, type the word running head. I-type ang word na running head. Then type your shortened paper title. At i-type ang shortened paper title mo. For example, halimbawa, next, maglagay ng page number. Click Insert, i-click ang Insert, click the page number, i-click ang page number, then select the page number that it will be at the right side of your page. Piliin ang page number na makikita sa kanang bahagi ng iyong page. Adjust the page number. By pressing the tab of your keyboard, i-adjust ang page number sa pamamagitan ng pagpindot ng tab sa iyong keyboard. Click anywhere. Mag-click kahit saan. Next is the title page or cover page. Full paper title. So, sumunod ang paglalagay ng iyong title page or cover page. Ito yung kabuuang title ng iyong paper. For example, halimbawa, author's name. Sumunod ay pangalan ng sumulat. For example, halimbawa, next is the institutional affiliated. Sumunod, kung saan company o trabaho nagmula ang author. Next is the heading labels for chapter and section of your paper. Sumunod ang paglalagay ng heading labels sa kada chapter ng iyong paper. Mapapansin ninyo na ang aking page 2 ay wala na yung word na running head. Yung shortened paper title na lang. For the heading 1, it must be centered, bold, with title case capitalization. So, heading 1, bold, naka-center. So, type the word, heading 1, and then, the title case capitalization. For example, so ito ang aking halimbawa sa aking title case capitalization. Next is the heading 2. Is left aligned, bold, also with title case capitalization. Sumunod ang heading 2 na dapat nasa kaliwa ang linya, naka-bold pa rin, at ang kanyang title case capitalization. So, left align, naka-bold pa rin, na type heading 2, then your title case capitalization. Next is heading 3. Sumunod, heading 3. Use indented, bold, and sentence case capitalization and a final period. So, heading 3, naka-indent, then naka-bold, and then title case capitalization. Heading 3, the text begins immediately after the period. Next is heading 4. So same with heading 3, but the entire heading is italicized. So same with the heading 3, naka-bold, then naka-indent, then naka-italize yung kanyang capital title case capitalization. Then the text begins after the period. Next is heading 5. Same as heading 4 but not bolded. Okay, so naka-indent but not bolded. So, hindi dapat siya naka-bold. Then the text begins after immediately the period. The text begins immediately after the period. So, ano-ano ba dapat ang lagay sa heading 1, 2, 3, 4? So, sa heading 1, kung ikaw ay magsusulat ng action research, yan yung ating context and rationale. And then, yung sumunod, yung research question, significance of the study, and so on and so forth. Pag applied research naman, ang nakalagay dapat sa heading 1, yung ating introduction. And then, research question, significance of the study, and so on and so forth. Next, we have the abstract. So, for the abstract, center the heading with no styling. So, center the heading, then type the word abstract. Summarize your study in one paragraph. So, do not indent the first line of paragraph. For example, summarize the study in one paragraph in around 250 words. So, after that, at the bottom, indent the line and italize the word keywords. So, indent, then italize the word keywords. Then, include the relevant keywords. So, ayan guys. So, sa next na ating video, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano gumawa ng reference page, bibliography, at ang inyong table of contents. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless us.